Hello, and today we're talking about weight loss. So ladies, I've got a few ladies working through the gut healing program and the 8 weeks to feeling fabulous, and they're just needing that little bit of extra help to lose the weight. So here are some of the things that I know work really well, and you could try these for yourself if you really want to jumpstart your weight loss, because who has not put on at least 3 or 4 kilos, maybe more, over the lockdown period? So if you really want to jumpstart your weight loss journey, then here is a few really practical ways that will get you started, get you firing up the metabolism and getting you feeling good. So we start off with adequate hydration. This is number one. As soon as you get out of bed in the morning, have your big glass of water. Then you can have 1 or 2 drops of lemon essential oil or grapefruit oil. It's a really good way to support the liver and, get your bile pathways really activated and start that weight loss journey. I love to start the morning with a wake and shake. So I get out of bed, I have my glass of water, and then I have 3 big deep breaths and I shake it out, flooding your body with hydration and oxygen first thing in the morning is what we need. When you think about in order of importance, how long can we go without food? 6 weeks. How long can we go without water? 3 days. How long can we go without oxygen? Not very long at all, maybe a minute or 2. So in order of importance, we need oxygen, then we need water, then we need food. So you want to breathe out, breathe deeply every single day. Think about diaphragmatic breathing, focusing on your breathing in order to lose the weight. That's number 1, breathing. Number 2 is hydration, and number 3 then is food. So supporting your body with lots of herbal teas during the day instead of too much coffee or fizzy drinks, soda, that sort of thing. Get rid of those sweet drinks. Make sure you're having lots of water and herbal tea. That will help you from binging, especially later in the day. You come to 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, you start to feel hungry, you want something sweet. Often you're not adequately hydrated during the day. Now, sleep, getting a good night's sleep is so vital to weight loss. This is where we rejuvenate and repair our cells. This is where the liver does all its work to really cleanse and rejuvenate. So to keep your hormones nice and balanced and your fat metabolism working well, you need to make sure you get a good night's sleep. And so getting a good night's sleep takes some discipline. You need to be committed to turning off the screen, lowering the lights, and getting into bed early enough to have those good couple of hours before midnight. This is where we do a lot of the repair and rejuvenation of cells. So getting those good quality 8 hours sleep are really vital to your weight loss journey. Hot lemon in water is a great way. As I said, I love to use lemon essential oil, 1 drop during the day, or grapefruit essential oil or peppermint essential oil, just to jazz up the water a little bit, but it also sends a very good message to the gallbladder and the liver for those essential bile pathways. Keep them nice and hydrated and very, very supportive to the function of the liver. You could try some health shots, like some ginger shots or turmeric shots. I love this one. So 1 big chunk of ginger, a small chunk of turmeric, the juice of 1 lemon, add in a dash of cayenne pepper. That's fantastic to fire up the digestive system and help with metabolizing. You can use herbs, very supportive, like cayenne pepper and cinnamon particularly, very good for weight loss. Make sure prior to any workout, you're adequately hydrated. So having lots of water before you work out or a green tea is a really good way to make sure that your muscles are getting the energy they need and the mitochondria is adequately hydrated in order to produce that energy you need. Now, of course, when we try to lose weight, we need to make sure that the calories that we're burning are greater than the calories we're putting into our mouth. So cardio exercises, particularly rebounding, gentle jogging, walking, running combo, swimming, dancing, Zumba, any of those sorts of things, to power up a high intensity workout, to power up for 20 minutes, get that heart rate up, doing that every day. That's going to set you in good stead for losing the weight. It has been known that people that have a habit of fidgeting or bouncing on their knees, supporting the lymphatic system, can burn up to 500 calories a day. So if you're one of these people like me who has a standing desk, I'm on my feet all day and I'm gently bouncing away to a little bit of nice music during the day, I'm burning calories doing that. As I said, spices are really good. Cayenne pepper, cinnamon oil, cinnamon powder, they're very, very good, good things to use in your cooking or your smoothies. You could try this, like dipping a toothpick into some cinnamon oil and having that in between your teeth if you're one of these people that craves sweet things, especially late in the afternoon. That will certainly send you in a dip with your blood sugar will rise and your energy will dip, and then you're probably setting yourself up for craving other things after dinner. If you're one of these people that craves sugar and sweet treats, especially after dinner or after your meals, you could try that toothpick trick. If you do try that, let me know. Grazing through the day, instead of having 3 big meals, you could break it down into 6 smaller meals. Can help you be constantly fueling the body in the right way. So fueling the body with protein and fats can help you from feeling hungry and certainly can keep your body burning energy more efficiently. Now, 1 cup of black coffee a day can be very, very good for, again, those liver, gallbladder, bile pathways. Sends a very good message to the liver to dump toxins. Notice I say 1 cup of coffee a day. Try not to overdo it, ladies. It can boost the heart rate and helps you burn calories. Okay, so there's 10 top tips. If you start to implement those as daily habits, that will certainly help fire up the digestive system and get you on the pathway to losing weight.